So, after 20 odd years over here in this tiny little shop, I'm finally on the move. I've got a bigger place. I've already started moving some of the stuff, as you can see, but it hardly looks like I've made a dent in it. But I've taken out so much stuff, 20 odd years of crap and rubbish. It's incredible. The dust, the muck. I'll be glad when it's all done. Anyway, the heavy stuff, the pillar drill, a belt sander, a cut-off saw, all this heavy, real heavy stuff. I've got to wait for the governor's Manitou to come back from being repaired, and he's going to lift it all over for me. Still got my compressor to go. That roller, that's heavy. This folder, that's heavy. Everything that's left in here is heavy. The lathe, obviously those bottles, and I've got all those racks to get rid of. The steel, it's all got to go. God knows where I'm going to put it all. As I say, I've started just doing trailer fulls of the lighter stuff. All this, that filing cabinet is full of tools. I think I might have to empty that to move it because it's so heavy with all the gear in it. And all this crap on the floor down here is jigs and all sorts of stuff. Then under that bench at the back there, you can't really see it, but that's full of big heavy jigs for various jobs that I do. Crap under there. More steel here. All these old shoes and God knows what. But anyway, we're getting there slowly. The coal bunker, that'll have to go. Oh, under there I've got my rotary positioner. That'll have to go. I bought that engine crane recently, which has made all the difference, especially with my dodgy shoulder. I haven't been able to lift too much, so trying to do it all one-handed has been a nightmare. But that thing has really helped. So, let's fill another trailer load up. And so that thing has been really useful. It's only a ton one, but it's enough. So let's take a look down at the new place. So here we are. It's had a new roof put on it. The old one was an old asbestos roof. They've ripped that off, put a nice new insulated roof on. Got two nice big double roller shutter doors. Much higher than the previous one. So I've got to, don't have to worry about swinging bits of iron around and smashing the lights on in here like I did with the other place. So we've got lots of lovely space. Forge is going to go there. Grinder in that corner over there, my big new one. I've had all new electrics put in. There's 3-phase electrics put in. There's 2 sockets there, that's for both the grinders. And we've got another 3-phase socket over there for my saw. Single phase for the lathe, 16 amp. Ordinary 13 amps down the bottom there. And we've got 2 more 3-phase there. One on the left is going to be for the welder, one on the right for my pillar drill, and the one in the middle is a 32 amp single phase, which is going to be for my TIG welder and my plasma cutter, and anything else that I happen to have that needs a 32 amp supply. They've creosoted all the beams and put in these lovely new LED lamps for me. It's really nice, but it's filling up rapidly and I haven't, as I say, made a dent in it. The last chap that was in here left me that site safe. He also left that red trolley, which I've put my TIG and my plasma cutter on, and I've got my arc welder at the bottom of it as well. He left me that bench, which is solid, or not solid, it's very heavy and it's stainless steel. He left me this one, which is heavy and stainless steel, but it's on wheels, this one, so that's going to be quite handy. I seem to have got an awful lot of vices from somewhere. There's one there. He also left me this bench, which isn't stainless, but it's quite heavy. That's going to be useful. I might bolt that one down. I've got another vice there, another record. That's 2 records. Then a little third record, the little one. Then another record. Then a rigid. Then another record. And the red one, I'm not sure what that is. I don't quite know where I've got all them from. And I've also got a leg vise down there as well on the floor. So my plan is that my big new grinder that I've got recently is going to go in that corner. Next to it I'm going to have my 6-inch belt sander. Then where that bucket is will be my vise and table for my forge. Then my forge in that corner, and the flue's going to go out that square piece of wood there. That's just a blanking hole, so we're going to use that so we don't have to punch any holes anywhere. Anvil probably roughly where that square bit of concrete is, as long as it's not a thin piece. Swage block's probably going to stay roughly where it is. Then my cut-off saw over there, but coming out from the wall quite a bit so I can get long lengths in. My lathe in the next gap down there. Then the bench at the bottom there I'm going to swivel round and have against the other wall. I think it'd make more sense. Small steel rack on the wall up there. Then the back wall there, or the side wall, lots more storage, cupboards, shelving, stuff like that. Hello, Ralph. Then in the middle here I shall put my big bench that I've got with my fly press on, although I might take the fly press off because I've got another small square bench that I might use for that. Where it's all going to go I have no idea. Yeah, so I've still got to fit it all in, but I think I should do it a bit easier than in my last place. No idea where the compressor's going to go, but thanks for watching.